Ibelga's 7 things women love to hear but are too embarrassed to ask for. Have you ever stopped to consider what women truly long to hear but are too hesitant to vocalize? What are the phrases that ignite a spark in their hearts and minds, yet they've never had the courage to articulate? Today, we're delving into 7 impactful expressions that every woman secretly loves to hear, but feels too shy to admit. Stay with us, because the final tip is a game changer, one that few men know but can make all the difference. Say this to her, and she might never want to let you go. 1. Genuine and specific compliments. One of the most cherished yet unspoken desires is a compliment that feels authentic and tailored. While a generic "you're beautiful" is sweet, it can sometimes come off as routine or impersonal. A truly meaningful compliment lies in the thoughtful details that showcase your attentiveness. For instance, instead of saying "you're beautiful," try something more specific like, "I love the way you move. It's so captivating, as if you light up the entire room," or "your smile is so special. It has this magical way of brightening my day." Do you notice the difference? These kinds of compliments go beyond mere appearances. They show sincerity, attention to her unique traits, and a deeper connection. This level of mindfulness not only makes her feel valued, but also strengthens the emotional bond between you. 2. Reassurance that she's amazing as she is. Another thing women love to hear but seldom ask for is reassurance that they're perfect just the way they are. Even though they may not openly seek this validation, it doesn't mean they don't crave it. In a world brimming with pressures to conform to specific standards of beauty, behavior, and success, a simple phrase like, "I love you just the way you are," can be incredibly uplifting. These words, though seemingly straightforward, hold immense transformative power, especially during moments when she feels vulnerable or insecure. They remind her that she doesn't need to change or fit into any mold to be loved and appreciated. By praising her authenticity, you send a powerful message that you value her for who she truly is. Compliments that highlight unique personality traits or distinct qualities not only boost her mood, but also deepen the connection you share. 3. Subtle promises that build anticipation. The art of making small, subtle promises is a fantastic way to keep her engaged and build a stronger connection. These don't need to be grand declarations of eternal love or exaggerated commitments. Instead, they can be small, heartfelt statements that create anticipation. For example, imagine saying, "I can't wait to see you later," or "Dan, I've got a surprise planned for you." These simple yet thoughtful words plant a seed of curiosity and excitement, making her think about you with a mix of eagerness and joy throughout the day. By setting the stage for positive anticipation, you offer her an enjoyable emotional experience before the actual moment arrives. However, it's vital to follow through on these promises, no matter how small they are. When you fulfill your words, even with a tiny gesture like bringing her favorite chocolate or organizing an unexpected outing, you build trust and show reliability. This not only strengthens the emotional bond, but also keeps the attraction alive. 4. Compliments on her intelligence. Complimenting a woman's intelligence is a highly appreciated but often overlooked gesture. In a world where compliments about looks dominate, recognizing her intellect demonstrates a deeper level of admiration. It shows that you value her thoughts, perspectives, and mental capabilities, not just her physical appearance. Phrases like, "Your intelligence amazes me," or more detailed ones such as, "I admire how quickly you think on your feet," or "I love how you solve problems so effortlessly and creatively," go beyond surface-level flattery. These compliments highlight her unique mental abilities and show that you truly see and value who she is. 5. Romantic expressions that show vulnerability. Romance never goes out of style. Though some may consider it old-fashioned, sincere romantic phrases have an emotional depth that transcends time. Many men shy away from these expressions out of fear of sounding cliché, but genuine romance is always appreciated. Saying something like, "You make me want to be a better man," isn't just a compliment, it's an acknowledgement of her positive influence on your life. Another example, "My day brightens just thinking about you," conveys that she occupies a special place in your thoughts, even when you're apart. These romantic gestures and phrases not only make her feel cherished, but also deepen the emotional bond you share. 6. Expressions of total captivation. A phrase like, "You make me lose track of time," carries profound meaning. It suggests that moments with her are so fulfilling that everything else fades into the background. By saying this, you're letting her know she's captivating enough to hold your undivided attention. In today's world of constant distractions, this statement reassures her that she's truly special and appreciated. It fosters a sense of security and admiration, reinforcing that the time you share together is meaningful to you. 7. Compliments on her sensuality. Lastly, women deeply value authentic compliments that highlight their beauty and sensuality. Even those who appear confident often harbor insecurities about their appearance. A thoughtful comment that appreciates her physical charms can boost her self-esteem and make her feel genuinely desired. For example, saying, "Your body is incredible, every curve is absolutely mesmerizing," or "Your lips are irresistible, it's impossible not to want to kiss them," goes beyond surface-level flattery. These compliments acknowledge her unique allure and make her feel cherished. Combining these with compliments about her personality or intelligence creates a holistic admiration, showing her that you value every aspect of who she is. In closing, imagine being able to use magnetic messages that spark an irresistible desire and connection. These carefully crafted phrases can transform simple conversations into profound encounters. If you're curious about these techniques, click the first link below to learn how to ignite chemistry and make her see you as the man of her dreams.